How to use Booking.com mobile app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to use Booking.com app onto your device, you could also use the browser version in the browser itself on your mobile device. And if you want to use the app, you could just go ahead and open your respective app store. And there you want to type in Booking.com and make sure to install the app. Once you're done installing the app, you could go ahead and manually create your account by providing your email address, all that stuff, or with your Facebook, or continue with the Google account as well. Once you've done that, once you've created your profile, you could just start searching for your destination or for what purpose you've created your account on Booking.com. Maybe it's for your rentals. So you could also go ahead and tap on your profile initials, and you could also add in your properties, or if you want to go ahead and book any sort of rentals like car, stay, a taxi, whatever, you could simply go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt and start using Booking.com mobile app. And that is how simple it is. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.